headlight removal for 2020 Chevy T15. Take the two star bolts out, slide the handle out, put these back in here for storage. Then you take simple clips, clip removal tools. We enjoy the Eastwood ones. They seem to work very well. Used them for years. Remove the top cover. After that's gone, you have 4 10mm. Simply remove them. Slightly pull back on the grill. Release the clips. You like to use the plastic clip removal tools to remove the ones on the edges so you don't scratch the headlights. And you have 2 clips in the middle, 1 on the bottom, 1 clip here in the middle, 1 clip at the bottom, 2 clips there, 1 at the bottom, and the ones on the edges. Simply remove them, removes the grill. Next, we'll remove 2 plastic clips out of here with the clip removal tool to release this piece of gasket. This allows the headlight to come out a lot easier. You can, if you want, just slice along this line. It opens it up. You can slide the headlight out. On this side, you have a cover panel. Sits on here. Simply just has clips in the top. We like to take a T15 and remove the bolts on the inside. Reach in there to be able to release the clips so you don't damage any of the clips. Along with 2 clips down here at the bottom edge. Once you release them, then you can pull your headlights. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 headlight bolts. All 10mm. Here's the 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is under the cover. We found for the strobe lights, the upfitting, our best bet is for the strobe to be in the edge.